E-commerce with the QuickBooks. So in this video I am going to show you the Shopify E-Commerce. Here in the Shopify E-Commerce we can see how the orders can be fulfilled, and then how we can push it to the QuickBooks accounting system. So if I go to my orders list in the Shopify, you can see there are so many orders, which are, some of them are in the paid status, some of them are payment pending status, and some of them are fulfilled status, and some of them are not fulfilled yet. So what I'm going to do is, quickly I'm going to mark some of them as a paid, because all this information is not a real time orders. So I can just quickly mark some of the items as a paid, and mark them as fulfilled, so that we can send this information into the QuickBooks. So I'm going to show it to you in the next couple of seconds. So now that we have marked some of the items as fulfilled, and other things as most of the things paid and fulfilled. That what is paid means we received the payment, and what is fulfillment means the shipping has been done. So now we want to show you how I can send this information into the QuickBooks accounting system. So I have already installed the QuickBooks apps into the Shopify. So now I am going to export the data into the QuickBooks. As you can see, now the exporting is started. So whatever orders are there till 8th of November, I'm exporting into the QuickBooks system. So here the exporting is going on, and it's almost completing. So once we complete, we can see that output here. So the orders exported, and now I am going to the QuickBooks system. I can see that there are so many orders. Whatever orders has been pushed into the from the Shopify, we can see them, all of them here. So that's how the export of Shopify data, rather the orders from the Shopify has been exported into the QuickBooks system. So this is how the integration happens. So we can also see some of the orders physically, how whether the data is correct or not. So that's how we can ensure. Now going back to the Shopify system, here you can see all the orders here I have in the Shopify. And suppose if I click on any order, let's say order number 1016, here you can see that this order is to take care of a row houses painting. Similarly, if we go to another order, suppose let's say for example, if you go to any other order, let's say something like 1010, here you can see a different type of product which has been purchased, that is become ISC and earn your own money. This is the product. So this way different products are have been sold using Shopify platform, and these have been effectively pushed to the QuickBooks system. So we can also verify the same thing in the QuickBooks. So now going back to the QuickBooks, here if I go to the same orders, those two orders, if you see 1016, order number 1016, if you click on that, you can see the details of that particular order, which is basically it says who is the purchaser, who is the buyer, and what is the billing address, what is the shipping address, and what kind of method of payment, which is bank transfer in this case. And then you can see what is the exact item which is purchased, that is nothing but the row houses painting, and including the shipping or charges, it is coming to around 9,000 rupees. So this is the whole cash memo basically. So for that particular order number 1016, so you can even see the tracking number, you can see the what is the mode of shipment, everything, whatever has been entered in the Shopify system, it is just populated here into the QuickBooks. So this is one order which we have verified, and another order also I can show you, that is order number 1010. So for that order also we can see what are the details of that particular order. That customer name is Uday Balna, and the item he purchased is the course, basically how to become independent software engineer, and the details of the pricing and taxes, including taxes, how much it is coming, everything is pushed from the Shopify system into the QuickBooks.